Hey there, skaters! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the hottest products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of roller skating with what we believe is the best roller skates for youth on the market. The Roller Derby Firestar Youth Skates for girls and boys. Now, if you're looking for a pair of skates that are perfect for beginners, durable, and offer top-notch performance, look no further. These Firestar skates are designed with comfort, safety, and fun in mind. Let's talk about what makes these skates stand out from the crowd. First up, the design. Sporting a sleek sport shoe design with both Velcro and lace closure, these skates offer a secure fit that's easy to adjust. Plus, with a lightweight torsion beam frame, you'll experience smooth and stable rides every time. Well, these skates are equipped with 54mm urethane wheels and G-Force 608 ZB carbon bearings, ensuring smooth rolling whether you're skating indoors or outdoors. And hey, safety first. The non-marking to stop on both skates provides added security, especially for those learning to stop. Now, let's talk fit and sizing. The Firestar skates run true to children's whole US shoe sizes, but some customers recommend sizing up for a bit of extra growing room. Whether you're skating at the rink or cruising the neighborhood, these skates offer a snug fit for optimal performance. But wait, there's more. Skating isn't just about having fun, it's also a fantastic way to stay active and healthy. From improving balance and agility to building strength and endurance, skating offers a wide range of benefits for skaters of all ages. So there you have it, folks, the Roller Derby Firestar Youth Skates for girls and boys. With their comfort, performance, and safety features, these skates are a must-have for any young skater looking to roll into fun and adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy skating!